Uh, Hello friends, welcome once again. Today in next video of our learning program in C language. Today we are going to talk about one program in which we'll display some data in particular width and that we can say block. So let's see it practically. Let's open code block. So I'm just zooming in to make it more clear. So first data I'm taking here a, that is an integer, and second data I'm taking here is float and its value is 34.56. So suppose if I display it, then simply it displays uh, initialized data. I'm just going to run it, so we can see here. So what data is taken, same data is being displayed. Yes, a equals to 4 and b equals 34.56001. Now if we want to display in particular width, particular space, like this 4, we want to display with particular width, like suppose a block of width is there maybe 6 or 7. So how it display that? To display that, we simply put, suppose we want to display block of this data having width 6, then we have to put 6 here. And here suppose we want to display 7, so let's put it here. Let's compile it. Let's run it. So we can see here we are taking 6 is the block of the width of block it is going to take, it is 6. So from here to here it is 6. From this equals to science 2, after that from up to here it is 6. Since it contains only 4, so 4 is taken here and all of the characters they are spaced from here, this part. So this is the width of 4 and total width is there 6. We are taking here 6. Similarly here we are taking 7. Actually we can see uh, 7 is the total width, and here it is taking total 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Total it is taking approximately 8 values, so it is taking same old value as we have taken there. But if we take more than that, then there would be some space as we are getting here. Suppose if we write here 10, now what will happen? Let's see here. So look here, 6 as it is outputs there, so total width is a 6, and here 10, how many digits are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So one space we can see here, and that is taken by the computer in this total width 10. So this is how it displays there. But suppose if we put here not 10, suppose if we put here 4.3. Now let's run it. So we can see here 4 6, same output we can see here. with some spaces here, because we have taken only one digit having number, and the total width of the block it is 6, but the number is only 4. So the left part it is preceded by space, we can see here. And here we can see 34.560. So total width 4, actually this 4 is total width. 4 is total width, and it is less than taken number, so same output we are getting here. And dot 3 stands for precision value of taken number. Precision means after dot how many we want to take there. So it is taking only 3. In previous example we saw there it was taking more than that. So this is how we can put the width of our data we are going to display. Similarly, suppose if that is the string, we can also take a string here. Suppose if it is now, what should happen there if I put suppose if I put here 10. Suppose if I put here 10. Now what should happen there? Let's save it. So we can see here the first data same, actually it is displaying there. In second we have taken the 4.3. 4 stands for total width. 3 stands for precision value, how many we want to take after this dot. So it is displaying 3 because we have taken 3 here. And in the sense of string we have taken 10. So total width of that data it would be 10, and here already we have taken 3, so remain same characters it is taken as space. We can see from here to here it is 7 and 8 9 10. So this is how the space is taken there, and it is displayed by the computer. It is also called right adjustment and the left adjustment of our data. Like the data is adjusted right in this RAM, this 4 it is also adjusted right because we have taken more than initialized data. So this is called width of data we are going to display. It is useful if we want to display our data in particular format, in good format. Then I think you understood about this one. And if you have confusion, then you can put your confusion in comment box. And just wait for next video. In next video I'll be bringing something new related to this one. Till then, take care, goodbye, stay positive, and obviously don't forget to subscribe.